What's up, guys? My name is Aaron Baz, fitness manager at Fit Athletic, and today we're discussing 5 tips that you should take seriously when getting back into the gym after a long break. Tip number 1, don't expect to come back to the gym training at the same level you were prior to leaving. Unfortunately, everybody that's taking time off of the gym, whether you're a lifter or a runner, is going to cause you to lose some gains. Ease back into your training. Be smart. Come back to the gym with the mindset of doing the least amount of work to elicit the most amount of change. Tip number 2 is to be patient. I realize it damages the ego knowing that you aren't lifting as much weight as you were previously, but I encourage you to work with the strength and energy levels that you have now and trust that after a few weeks of consistency, you'll get that strength back. The last thing you want is to sideline yourself with an irresponsible injury right after getting back into the gym. Tip number 3 is to set strength-based goals. We've been sitting on our ass for quite some time now without any exposure to resistance training. Setting strength-based goals should be your number 1 priority when you get back into the gym. Focus on getting a little bit stronger every single week. As a bonus, strength training is a great way to rev up your metabolism, which is going to help you burn off all those cookies you've been eating during quarantine. Tip number 4 is to remember that you're going to be sore. Contrary to popular belief, soreness in the body is not a good indicator of whether you got a good workout or not. Although there's no way to totally avoid this, to recover faster, focus on hydration, a proper warm-up, and getting a good night's sleep. Tip number 5 is to hire a trainer. When you hire a trainer, what you're really paying for is information. There has never been a better time to learn how to exercise for optimal health. If you don't quite understand what to do when you get back to the gym, hire a trainer to help you unpack your goals and put together a personalized training program for you. I hope these 5 tips provide you guys insight with the way that you should get back into the gym. I can't stress enough how serious you should take these 5 things. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you back here at Fit in Mission Beach.